Move of the week, sweepskate. Step 1, step back. Step 2, sweep it through, come to the knee. The leg comes through, transfer to the opposite knee. Step 3, switch it up. The leg comes through, sit down, switch the legs. Step 4, pose. That's it, it's a pretty easy move this week. Just enjoy, have fun. Remember step 5, practice, practice, practice. There's a couple of views from the back and the sides. It's pretty straightforward and relaxed. Happy practice. This concludes the move of the week, and this part's just me playing around. Have a lovely day. Ciao, ciao.